Hey, we're gonna speed run Viper.
Speed run, you're walking there.
Technically, we can run here, and then we go to the end.
Yeah, I know.
Run!
Come on. I almost died, not gonna lie.
Viper challenge. Some of you who don't know what it is, it's basically a challenge where we have to do obstacles while running. This Viper challenge comeback, there is 10 obstacles with a 7 km run. Some of it are pretty easy, some of it is pretty hard. So me and the boys are going to attempt speed run it, and here is all where it begins. Hello, good morning.
Morning day.
So what time is it? It's summer time.
5:43 CL.
5:43. We need 1 hour roughly. Actually, Jared can take 45 minutes now.
45 minutes, you want me to reach that? 20 minutes also can,
Going to Viper.
Oh,
so we're heading to Sepang. So I'll see you there lah.
Hey, we got here there.
Viper.
Viper, baby.
Find the parking. So 6:30 in the morning. After that, Viper. Welcome back. There's nobody here. Hi, Paul.
Hi.
This is Noel.
Hi.
Oh, his mask came off already.
Hi. Ayun gue sponsor event.
Viper.
They haven't
Oh, copyrighted.
Hey.
Yep.
Okay, so before we start with anything, for those of you who's here for the 7:30.
Now for the first obstacle, the stupid me did not click the record button, so this is what I got. It's basically a fence which is 1.5 meter and you cross over. It's the same one lah. It's the same one as last year. Hey Paul, last year saw this thing lah.
Hey, why got someone's phone like vibrating?
Oh no.
Wait, now what time Really, my alarm lah, shit. My working alarm lah.
See, we beat everyone so fast, there's no one here. Actually, there's plenty of it. Hey. Yeah, we're going slow.
I carrying 10 kg plate.
This is the 10 kg plate. There's actually 2 liter of water.
2 liter of water, everyone's phone, everyone's wallet.
Oh. Huh? I have no railing.
It's scary, right?
Yeah, no railing scary lah. The river is the other way lah. Right.
Wait.
Oi. Itulah dia. I think the first obstacle didn't get to record lah. There's a pond here leh. It's time to swim. Huh?
That's scary lah.
Yeah lah, the middle one is scary lah.
The middle one scary. Maybe if we roll, then it won't die. I almost died, not gonna lie.
Huh?
Put it in thumbnail, I almost died.
Oh no lah dey. Whoa.
我跟你讲啊，那个破裂啊，哇，那个他的判长，喂，啊你水，真正水啊你。Now the challenge avoid the motor right?
Yeah, wait.
Some Final Fantasy stuff, you know.
We reached 2 km already. In 5 minutes, we reached 2 km lah. Hey. And again, I did a mistake not clicking it. So
in life, you know. Kelvin, can you please come here?
We talk about Calvinism lah.
Calvinism, are you predestined to finish this or not?
Yes.
Oh.
So you're God lah, you predestined lah. Wow, this course damn hard eh.
What?
Oh.
Share white lah.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Hey.
Look like my house a bit lah.
Hey, your house lah. Come we visit your house lah.
Ma!
I put the other side first lah. Hey, throw ah. I put there lah. I put there lah. I think it's the spinning one lah, Paul.
Yeah, the spinning one.
Huh?
Tell you what, we go sideways.
Last time I did sideway lah. Last time I did sideway lah. Don't want lah, we do the correct way.
Wait, mind tipu lah, Paul.
The third one is spinning ah, Gerald.
Can I use my leg ah? Can I do motorista?
Then you pass it ah. It's so slippery lah.
Go! Oh shit. Start again.
Cannot lah, spinning lah.
My mother say I'm not weak.
Ah yeah,
Never told me about this one.
We go sideway can ah. Can ah.
Oh, it's all about how you get through lah. Yeah.
Hey, so slippery also lah. What is this lah?
I thought you want to do you can pass on.
It's
Go through the whole thing on.
At least try your best at least.
huh?
This one, before side lor.
Ah, correct.
You have to hold there lah. Wait, I'll stop here.
But the side here also slippery ah. This thing.
Like that. There.
Wow, slippery lah. I could afford slippery lah.
This way, the spinning one.
All the water.
Go on after that, faster go.
Oh no.
Bawa. Can beside ah.
What I record here. Race ah, faster ah.
Why you on your legs there? Supposed to be on your knees.
It's Spider-Man, right?
Spider-Man, right? Oh, Spider-Man ah? I thought alligator. Oh, you know. One, catch up to the fatty. Yeah, what is it?
Okay lah.
Slowly descend into darkness.
They ball. Catch ah.
I catch.
Throw the ball.
Some ball.
Got phone inside there ah.
You got fall inside there, you want to throw?
That one lah. Hey, why so short one this thing? Okay, I take the long one ah. Oh, yo, what happened to you lah?
Cut lah. Cannot go bouldering in it lah.
Huh?
Okay.
What happened ah?
Cover now. Thank you.
4 km. Oh, this one ah. Oh. Paul, come on, I record you ah. Recording you must do properly ah. Paul ah.
Ni. Kalau dua macam ni. Yang macam ni. Dekat ni.
Oh. Oh.
Oi, strong man ah. Oi. Wow.
Oh yeah. Again.
You need to do the flagging or you know.
Last.
Let's go.
Oi. Come on lah. Power lah.
So for this footage, my camera did not work and I had to use my phone.
Hey, let's come over.
Make sure you make it over lah.
Yes. I honestly think one side is easier. Cause you can
one side.
you go on momentum.
You can swing.
It's like a
Swinging helps lah actually.
it's like a what is it called lah? Momentum ah.
1 yen, what?
1 yen. Let's see. You look like orangutan already. Okay, now reverse back, bro.
The next one is basically to walk on this plank thing, and also particularly this second one. The second one is being a bit.
Actually, don't jump lah. Go to lah.
Alright.
What is it? Climb the fence ah? Okay.
This one, last time every time from your left side. Last time every time we get knocked out, right? Kelvin always climb over my, no.
This right climb over the high school lah.
High school flag. Bring back to the Punting days.
Cannot stay lah. This weekend lah. Actually, we just climb use on top one lah. Use on top one lah. Itu dia. Wall okay ah? Jara, you're mentally okay ah? Learn bouldering, flagging. Flagging.
I take off my shoe. Mine people take off shoe. Viper challenge become Viper only, no challenge.
Okay, we're about to hit the last one. And there's nobody except for Paul in front. Let's go, Paul! Jake Paul! Alright, we're about to do this. This is a first person view.
Yeah.
First person view?
Yeah, I think it's about V7.
Yeah, it's a V7.
V7 7C.
Ale, come on. Gotta put your leg over there.
There's a 7 dot. Is this a 7 dot? Long hands, remember? Long hands or not? I teach you climbing the time. Long hands.
Don't flex your hand, Paul. Remember, straight hand.
Don't want to flex here, dude. Oh, then I'm sick.
You wanna go?
V7, huh? V7.
Let's go, Paul.
Go, Paul.
Come on, flex. Flex.
What it takes to be your man. What it takes to be your man.
Good. Hey, picture, Jaran. Hey, how to go down here lah? Huh? The sun is out now.
Easy.
A lot of people coming for the challenge.
Yeah.
Now the obstacle here are the plants.
Yeah, and the reality that we're going back to normal life and we're going back to work tomorrow, that's the real challenge, you know?
But the best part is that we can sleep, right?
Is that Cass?
Where?
Where?
Yes, eh.
Oi, Cassandra! Morning!
Faster come here. Faster come here.
Stop, Dave! Faster! I don't tell anyone, you get the t-shirt! They never ask you. He asked me. They have fun. Very easy.
Plants are the obstacle here. We gotta dodge. Oh, they dancing there. Leh. Why they never dance for us lah? Oh, they follow what they take picture with us. They smile lah. Smile for the camera. Stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. Hey, in front of it. He said in front of it. Yeah. We pose. Come on. Hey, sucks to be you. We say challenge.
Let's go
Challenge. Hey, people waving at us. Hey. Oh! Yeah! Okay. Medal, water, on the pain.
Like I'm not stereo, I know they hear me.
Hell.
Stereo, that's love and Spanish love like.
See like you. Scary lah. Okay, thank you.
It's a skill. See, this we went to Viper Challenge skill.
Okay. Thank you.
My test. Welcome, ladies.
Right, you can see my hands are tearing from a secret video coming soon with this guy. You'll know soon. Long, huh?
In around let me check. 1 hour should be 1 hour, 1.5 hours lah.
Half an hour. Viper King of Mountain 2022. Paul says it's at Genting. 21 want to go.
You wanna go, just go lah.
Just go lah. We tapau, okay? That's all for Viper. Paul, I think the battery is about to die soon.
Please subscribe and like and comment and follow and share and
Come Viper Challenge.
Don't like it if you don't like it.
If we reach 1,000
Dislike the video,
subscribers,
please.
Ian will bring someone to Viper Challenge.
And then he had to do everything. I watch only. Alright, see you guys next time. Smash the like if you like, smash don't like if you don't like. Subscribe, but don't subscribe if you don't want to sub. Anyway, goodbye. See you guys.